National Menorah Lighting Ceremony shines bright on US National Mall to begin Hanukkah celebration. In a spectacular display of faith and tradition, an annual National Menorah lighting ceremony took place on the US National Mall, officially inaugurated this year's Hanukkah festival. The event, a cornerstone of the holiday season in Washington, D.C., attracted a diverse gathering of families, communities, leaders, dignitaries, and visitors from across the nation. Standing tall at 30 feet, the National Menorah is one of the most iconic public symbols of Hanukkah in the United States. Its lighting, accompanied by the recitation of traditional blessings, commemorates the miracle of the oil in the ancient Temple of Jerusalem, a central theme of Festive of Light. The ceremony begins with an introduction of Rabbi Levi Shem Executive Vice President of American Friends, the organization responsible for organizing the event since its inception in 1979. In his remarks, Rabbi Shem emphasized the holiday's universal message of light triumphing over darkness, a theme that resonates with people of all faiths. Prominent figures including representatives from US government and the diplomatic community participated in the lighting of the first candle. The event also featured special prayers for peace and unity, reflecting the broader and aspiration of the Jewish community and the whole world at large. Music was a highlight of the evening, with the United States Air Force Band delivering stirring performance of traditional Hanukkah songs on classic tunes. The crowd joined in a spiritual rendition of Moez Tzur, Rock of Ages, a hymn traditionally sung after lighting the menorah, adding to the festive atmosphere. Children and families were at the heart of the celebration, with many participating in hands-on activities that brought Hanukkah tradition to the life. Young attendees spun deliberately crafted menorah at theme art and enjoyed the whole event. Jelly-filled donuts that are beloved Hanukkah treat educational display offered insight into the history and customs of Hanukkah, providing a meaningful experience for all ages. In addition to the festivities, attendees received menorah kits and Hanukkah guides to take home, ensuring the spirit of the holiday could be shared widely. The event and organization emphasized the importance of bringing light and hope onto communities, particularly during challenging times. There were several speakers highlighted the broader significance of the event. The National Menorah is more than just a symbol of Hanukkah, said one participant. It's a beacon of religious freedom, diversity, and enduring power of hope. The event underscored the Jewish community contribution to American society and the shared values of reliance and unity. As the menorah's first candle illuminated the dark evening sky, it served as a pageant reminder of the miracle of Hanukkah, both ancient and modern. The National Mall, a place symbolic of freedom and democracy, provides a parting backdrop of the celebration, linking the holiday's theme of liberty and faith to the ideal cherished by the nation. The lighting of the National Menorah marks the start of the 8 days of Hanukkah celebration, during which Jewish families around the world will gather each evening to light their menorah, which shares festive meals and reflect on enduring lesson of the holiday. For those who attended this ceremony, the evening was a memorable and uplifting start to this cherished season of joy and remembrance. This was Amna Tariq reporting, and you were watching Desi TV USA. I would like to wish you happy holiday. Hope you are going to enjoy your holidays and stay tuned for more interesting updates. Allah Hafiz.